Hey folks, how you doing? Richard here from Bikepacking Adventures. The clue's in the name, what this channel's all about. Epic bikepacking adventures all year round, and not so epic. I live here in Lincolnshire. There's a lot more rides around this county and all the adjoining counties. Every now and again I might go a little bit further. But today, sticking local, I'm headed across to the Lincolnshire Wolds, where I'll be camping in some woods this evening. My weapon of choice this weekend is the mountain bike. Not because it really needs it, but just a bit of fun, isn't it? So it's either this epic Evo behind me or my gravel bike. So I've gone for the fun option this weekend. Back system, tail fin, usual tail fin. That's just loads of snacks. And there's also replacement sealants in there as well. Yeah, could have ride tubeless. Buy one and tie. Tent in there. Pegs, pump. I've got a new GPS I'm trialling out at the moment. It's reportedly got an amazing battery life, so we're taking it out this weekend just to familiarise myself with it, and then I'm going to create some epic challenges this winter going forward to see how long that battery life lasts. Anyway, that's all coming up on the channel. Just heading along Common Brumby Lane. If you know it, you know it. Yeah, so literally just on the outskirts of Scunthorpe, the end of this road, right into town. So I'm going to be taking lots of NCNs. Well, it's going to be one long NCN to take me out the other side of town. Tell you why, it only started out 57 kilometres. It's not a long one. You know, it's only a couple hour ride. And given it's only 4:30ish now, I don't want to be super early. I'm not a huge fan of these long nights. Well, good morning folks. A night in the woods. This is Hendale Woods near Humberside Airport. And a fantastic night's sleep. Back's a little bit hurting now. It's been laid down too long. And it's raining at the moment. So, yeah, I'm not going to be leaving just too soon. But yeah, colours of the autumn are everywhere. Look at those leaves. So I'm going to make a coffee, have some oats, and slowly get packed away. So whilst that's lighting, I'll show you my new pot sheller. So if you watched my Netherlands trip, you would have heard that I lost all my cooking stuff. It fell off the bike in the night. So I've got this replacement one. This one's from Nature Hike this time. It's a little bit bigger as well, 600 millilitres. And the bonus on this one, as you can see, you can hang it up somewhere. Right, so while it's boiling, I've got one of these Lindau's Kvarg raspberry yogurts from Nestle. I think what sold it to me was the dude on the bike. It's taken a little bit of a while this morning to get that boiling. And yes, you'd be right, I've just transferred my oats into there because this wasn't really needed. I didn't need to bring that with me. Yes, I got a brand new bowl to replace the one. Luckily, there was nothing too expensive. Even that was like under £20. The Trangia itself was less than £20. I guess once it all adds up, you know, you realise how much you did actually waste over it. Probably about 60 quid's worth of stuff. I barely used it, so there's loads of coffee sachets and little plastic containers with loads of methane, the liquid. So yeah, probably lost about maybe 70 quid, I bet, off the back of the bike. I'm sure somebody picked it up and put it to good use. Okay, don't put that in there. Raining. Said it would. It's sunning in the autumn. It's sunning all year round, but even more so in the autumn. So this is not actually far from Humberside Airport, which is by no means a major airport. I've heard 2 aeroplanes, one late last night and then one this morning. As you can see, bountiful places to pitch your tent up. Here we are. Didn't bring a rain jacket today, I'm just kind of relying on this winter kind of fleecy jersey and a gilet. Hopefully that will be enough, because it's not meant to be raining a lot. Just spit spot here, there, and this annoying drizzle. And my hand's going to get cold quick as well, I think. So right now I'm heading towards Great Limber. In the rain, it's drizzle. Oh. Worst kind of rain, yeah. I thought drizzle was kind of a British thing, but when I went to the Netherlands they had it as well. Learn something new every day. I always suspected they did, but I was lying at a bus stop. I would say bus stop, whatever, bus shelter. So I come here just to get rid of rubbish, and I'm going to put those pair of gloves on as well, because it's cold and wet. And look, there's a shop there, I forgot all about that. The village stores in Great Limber. Yes, I can't put up my hands being so cold anymore. Let's go to the effort. You're getting gloves out, tail fin. In fact, what I'm going to do for the rest of the day is put them in this bag. And when it finally stops raining, I'll have to mess about putting them in the bags again. So let's turn these on while I'm sorting my bag out. That's it, stick on red, hottest. And by the time I stop fanning around, it should be alright. I should just let you know at this point, Go Cozy did actually send these for free, just to let you know. They've not said I've had to say anything positive or negative, it's just me out using them. So far, so good. Now, I often find getting gloves and on and off are such a pain. Let's see what these ones are like. Yeah, okay. In fact, I'm going to turn the temperature down from red to blue, so it's going to drop an extra 20 degrees Celsius. 40 degrees is perfectly fine when it's probably 4 out here right now. I don't want to sweat them off too quickly. Oh, that is lovely and toasty, that. Can you see my hands steaming? No, you can't, can you? What, yeah. See what they're going to be like for riding now. Off we go again. I tell you what, these are lovely. To be fair, I could probably turn the heating element off, but now, because I know they'll probably go last 6-7 hours, I might as well leave them on. Yeah, certainly get used to these, especially when it gets proper cold, because at the moment it's just cold because it's wet, you know. On a clear day you can see really far along across there to the coast, the dock tower, even a glimpse on the other side of the Humber estuary. Nothing like that today. So you're going to be heading towards those woods, turning right. Last time along here, not too many months ago, just cutting trees down, see what's left. If you know who I am, you know why I'm not going straight on. Oh, actually it's not an O. I've just walked through there. I should have got the camera and recorded. I literally just walked. I thought I dare not ride my bike. Probably tell on camera as well. That's just started raining again. This jacket, this new one from Sportiful. First time wearing it. I bought two in fact. One this colour and one like a burgundy colour. Burgundy one to match my gravel bike. It's doing a good job of keeping the rain out. This is where I am, look. The Lindsay Loop. Whew. Join me the other side of Cleethorpes, my hometown, in this nice little area, which if you live in this part of Lincolnshire, you'll know it very well. And it's down below. Just stopped for, well, nature's calling. So I thought, what a good place to stop. It started raining again, I'm getting wet. It's not really one of those days to stop, start and take your gloves off and reach in your back pocket, grab your camera. I enjoy it anyway. I am trying to go to the effort of filming things, but I always struggle a little bit this time of year. That beautiful sight. Isn't that quite something? So up ahead is the woods at Wold Newton. I'm going to wire camping here at one point. I'll show you why I want to get there. Once again, a beautiful carpet of leaves. So, this is what they call the valley. You can see why. I can just imagine myself being in there. Look. Maybe summertime wild camp. Bivvy bag, roll it in there. Yeah, I can picture that. Finally made it to just one bike, and I've gone for a pizza once again. Look at that. Of course, with cider as well. I'm going to tuck into that. About 12 miles, something like that from camp, so I'm going to enjoy this. And whilst I'm here, I'm going to nip across to Heron and get some food and just get myself ready for the night. There's the bike over there, it's absolutely filthy. Arrived at my woods for this evening, not too far from Market Stainton and Red Hill. Beautiful spot, really peaceful. All I can hear is fireworks like going off in the distance. When I arrived there was some white beady eyes, probably deer, probably long gone now. But yeah, it's just a really peaceful woods. Nothing going on in here. Oh, and for once I've actually remembered to lube my chain, which is all good and well, but it's just started to rain. Yeah. At least I remembered this time.